Hello, Professor and TA. I am Dr. Yash Bankar, and I am going to be talking about Verily Life Science, which is an up and coming medical devices company under the Alphabet ecosystem, which is the parent company of Google. I found them interesting because they were recently founded, but they've seen tremendous success in the medical devices environment, and I feel like they're a great company to work with. So, this is what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to talk about the company or overview, the marketing landscapes and channels, and that their analysis, a SWOT analysis, my recommendations, and my conclusion about this entire final that I have to present. So, Verily was founded in 2015 as a subsidiary of Alphabet. Their focus is very unique and they leverage technology and data science to advance precision health, which is the new up and coming area in medical devices. Their healthcare approach tailors interventions for individual needs, which is amazing. They position themselves as the data and evidence backbone for precision health, and they want to bridge the gap between research and healthcare delivery. Their newest initiative is the One Verily Forward initiative, which is part of the reinvent, reposition, reconfigure area. They have a very broad approach and they have streamlined their focus into a three-pronged approach. They have three core areas. The first being research, where they optimize clinical trials through technology and huge amount of data. The second being care, where they develop tools for providers, healthcare providers, and the latest being a retinal camera for primary care. Third being healthcare financing, where they explore insurance solutions that incentivize preventative care. So, their new vision, new mission, as I may say, where they have five areas of focus. Their first being viewpoint for clinical research, the second being numeric for precision measure, on-due for care management, granular for healthcare financing, and sightline for public health. So, talking about their market landscapes and marketing channels, they operate in a very, very competitive sector called the healthcare technology sector. And they have specific marketing channels like their website and their ever growing presence on in industry publications. They are very active on social media on LinkedIn, X, formerly Twitter, and YouTube. Their success can be measured by, of course, the adaptation of Verily solutions in clinical trials and healthcare settings, improved efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare delivery as they show in the blogs that they regularly update, advancements in precision health through Verily's data driven approach. Again, all the research is uploaded on their publications and website. They have a very lucrative market, which is the life science sector at the intersection of healthcare and technology. The global healthcare IT market is huge and it's at 950 billion to by 2027, and the market is also rapidly growing with a CAGR of 19.8%. And some market drivers are aging population, rising healthcare costs, increasing acceptability and adoption of telehealth and remote patient monitoring, and growing demand for personal care. And their target audience depends on their products. It could involve patients, providers, pharmaceutical companies, etc. So, let's talk about their marketing strategy. They have the access to Google's enormous data analytics and machine learning expertise, which is super sophisticated. And they leverage this to develop innovative solutions for population health management and clinical trials. They have a big focus on innovation and collaboration with industry partners, and they use a mix of digital marketing channels like content marketing, webinars, and social media to reach target audiences. They also participate in industry conferences and healthcare organizations which help promote their products. So, the main market drivers would be a general rising trend in the healthcare IT sector, aging population, telehealth, rising healthcare costs, data driven healthcare, which is a main focus now, and precision medicine. Personalized medicine is the new and up and coming branch, and everybody is getting into it. Verily is one of the forefronts of that, and I believe that that will help really boost their sales and market. The latest exciting new development is the recent 510K approval they got for their ECG study watch, which is a very interesting product. It is a single lead ECG that measures your heart rate, your pulse rate, your blood oxygen, and it provides alerts for abnormal ECG or heart rates, which is extremely cool, and it is super precise. This I feel is a very beautiful example of their online marketing. Feel good pictures, wonderful, that just create trust and just makes you smile. So talking about their online presence, this is them on X, this is them on LinkedIn, and this is so let's just do the SWOT analysis. SWOT for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So they're talking about the strengths. They have access to Alphabet's resources, which is a multi-trillion dollar company, and which gives them access to enormous financial resources also, and they have cutting edge super modern technology like AI and machine learning, and they can access Alphabet's talented pool of employees. Verily has a very important, very sharp focus on innovation in the healthcare sector, and they keep on developing new technologies and solutions for unmet needs. They have established partnerships with a lot of healthcare organizations and pharmaceuticals, which help them leverage expertise to expand their reach. They also have enormous data analytics capacities. Talking about the weaknesses, they have a limited track record, they're still new, young, and they are yet to establish a long track record of success. A lot of regulatory hurdles in the healthcare industry, and more coming, and they may face challenges like obtaining approvals for its products. Again, this is a very competitive market, and established IBM Health and Microsoft Healthcare may be a huge competition. Data privacy concerns, as always, are in with any data analytics are a main source of concern. Talking about their opportunities, they have a growing demand for digital health solutions in the current market, uh, which is accentuated by a growing population and rising costs. The expansion into new markets is a main focus area, such as chronic disease management or mental health. Telehealth and up and coming is also a new exciting market. They have partnerships with insurance companies which on the cards, which can help gain a wider adoption or wider audience. Strategic acquisition, they're a big company too, so they can acquire smaller companies and create a big portfolio. And threats, the changes in policies every day, new and new policies are being made, which could be a threat to their effectiveness. Data security breaches, data privacy is a big issue, and it is an ever growing threat. Competitors are catching up, moving ahead, so they have to be on their toes. And shifting preferences for digital health is a big threat, and they need to adapt to be ahead of the curve. So, analysis of the effectiveness of the marketing. Again, they provide a unique value proposition. They have Alphabet's strengths. Their focus on precision health aligns with the trend of growing trend in the healthcare market towards personalized medicine. One Verily Forward, the news initiative, I was absolutely amazing, which promotes better collaboration and resource allocation. Some weaknesses I would say would be their broad approach. They need some streamlined approach to make sure that their resources are being used appropriately. Their focus on B2B market limits their reach, and new emerging technology is a threat and weakness. So my recommendations would be to have targeted communication. They should tailor their messages to different stakeholders like providers, researchers, patients to increase their understanding and adaptation. Partnerships with big firms and collaboration with established players will help accelerate penetration and gain trust. Focus on demonstrating the concrete health improvements their solutions enable will help in their marketing, and patient engagement is another way to empower patients to use Verily's tools. To conclude, I would like to say that their focus on precision health has promise. They need to refine their strategy, they need to streamline their operations to address competition and privacy concerns. If they clearly articulate their value proposition, they foster strategic partnerships, prioritize data security, and just focus on innovation, they can position themselves as a leader in the ever growing, ever evolving healthcare landscape. These are my references. Thank you for your attention. And well, if you have any questions, please feel free to email them to me. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.